Hi everyone, it's Mrs. McDowell again with our experiment on soil. I'm so excited to report today that we do have some growth. So if we look at the humus, we do have one sprout visible and another one starting to poke out through the soil over there. We also have, if I bend this down just a little bit here, you can see that there is some root growth as well. So this is pretty exciting news for us. One of the things that I've been doing is I'm trying to use the metric system for as far as watering. So today when we water, first I'm going to go ahead and put in the 3 milliliters of water, or I'm sorry, 30 milliliters of water. I'm going to try and get it close to where these plants are located. Oops. All right. And the other thing I want to do is I'm going to measure and keep track of the height of our bean sprout here. So once again, with metric system, I'm going to go ahead and use this ruler using centimeters. I'm going to place it in the soil. I'm not going to take the plant and like bend it up to try and have it, like fully extended. I mean, because that might snap it. So yes, it is a bean, but we're not going to be snapping these beans. It looks like it's about 4 centimeters tall, okay? And I'm excited also about the root growth that we have there. This is the humus. Let's go ahead and we are going to look at the clay soil. Ooh, all right, so we got a little excitement happening here. There looks like there might be some sprouts. So 2 of them are sprouting. Each container did get 3 seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this to see if we have any root growth. And nothing really to be seen here as far as roots. Okay, all right, but that is our clay soil. Oh, let me go ahead and water that. 30 milliliters. Put that in there. This always makes me nervous. It just kind of pulls on top. All right, that was the clay soil. Bubble, bubble, as it soaks in there. Oh, and there's a bubble. Is it gonna pop? It's getting bigger, bigger, bigger. Boop. Okay. And then over here we have the sandy soil. And look, there's a little sprout in there also. Now there are 3 seeds in here. Let's check and see if there's any root growth. No, I'm not seeing any roots developing at all. But let me go ahead and get the water. 30 milliliters are being poured in here with the sandy soil. Soaking in. Okay. All right, so I'm going to have to put this information in my data collections sheet, but let's go ahead and check on our super top secret experiment that we have going on here. Top secret, confidential. By the way, I'm not sure how much longer I can keep this experiment going because it smells. Like, it really smells. And I'm not going to be watering this. If we open the door in here and we look inside, what we have, oh, it smells so gross. Right, it looks like we have, I'm sorry, it's so bad. It looks like we've got a couple bean sprouts started, but that white stuff on the upper left-hand side is mold, okay? Now, these plants, I have not given them any extra water since I think it was day 3, and they don't need any more water. And I'm going to check here for any root growth, and while there's white stuff in there, that's actually just part of the potting soil, okay, or the humus. Right in here we do have a sprout, but once again, that white stuff that's around there, that's mold. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure which one smells the worst, and you know what? I'm not going to get close enough to smell them and trying to decide that. You can even see the fuzziness on that one sprout there. Okay, and that's in the sandy soil, and this water really has not been draining. And there's something sort of blackish right there. Disgusting. Okay, no real root growth there. All right, so we may just keep this going another week or so, but I don't know how much more I can take of this now. All right, now let's go over here to our hydroponics, our unauthorized. This is the unauthorized experiment, only with water, all right? And as you look, you can see that absolutely nothing seems to be going on. I'm going to go ahead and try and pick this up. I don't want to spill it. I don't see any root growth underneath. Well, you can't really see. It's just 2 very wet beans. So while the idea is exciting to do this, I'm not sure that anything's going to happen. I did put a little bit of plant food in the water the last time I put water in here. This experiment with the hydroponics requires more water than just 30 milliliters because it evaporates pretty quickly up here. All right, now let's go over to my data collection sheet. Sorry, I hope you're not getting dizzy. And I'm keeping that here on my computer as far as day 1, day 3, day 6. Today would be day 10. And so I am going to go ahead and record the information for today. All right, so hopefully we'll check back in about 2 or 3 more days and see what's going on. Take care.